All you need to do is npx sensible, make sure you have the latest version, and fill in the init command. You can then change what you want the app to be called. You can then change what repo you want it to be hosted. You can also fill in nothing. And you can choose which apps you want the Sensible project to create for you. For now, I will just go with the defaults. It will take around 5 minutes to create and set up the Sensible project for you. But after that is done, you can immediately get started. Alright, as you can see, it's done now. The Sensible CLI is now creating the cache, and the project has been opened in VS Code. Now all you need to do is open this link like the README suggests and follow the instructions. To start up everything, you have to run yarn dev inside of packages core and every app you want to run. And of course, don't forget the server app. So we're gonna do that. Let's see what happens. As you can see, we have the apps and the packages here. So first of all, we're opening packages core and run yarn dev like the docs are telling me. Then we're running the server, and then we're running the web. Right now, we can already refresh the app, and as you can see, the docs automatically show you all the endpoints that are available in the core. You can see everything that's known about these type definitions. Also the app should now be running. The server should run on localhost 4000 and the app runs on localhost 3000. I also want to mention that all front-end UI can be shared between React and React Native. We use React with Native, another framework I've built, and it's installed by default. If you want to change something, for example, hello world, you have to go to the UI package and change it there. It will immediately hot reload and you will see the result both in your Expo app and your Next.js app.